Hello everyone, this is Professor He. Nice to see you again. The topic of this task is about the flow rate, work loss, and exergy destruction. Firstly, let's talk about the flow rate for the flow with friction. The flow rate for a duct is always calculated by the parameters and the minimum section, the throat, that is. The mass flow rate can also be expressed as the flow rate will be maximum with this pressure ratio. You can compare this pressure ratio, equation 943, with other pressure ratios such as equation 924, 925, and 939. Can you find the difference? Then the maximum flow rate is. This is equation 944. The ratio of the stagnation parameters is simplified as. Then the maximum flow rate is. This is equation 946. This means with the same throat area and the stagnation parameters, since the polytropic exponent is less than the specific ratio of ideal gas, the maximum flow rate of the nozzle with friction will be smaller than that without friction. Secondly, let's talk about the work loss for the flow with friction. Starting with the momentum equation, we have the work loss for the flow with friction. Substituting the polytropic relation, we have expression for the first part. Starting with the energy equation, we have expression for the second part. The work loss for the flow with friction then is. This is equation 948. The work loss here refers to the difference between the kinetic energy actually gained by the flow with friction and the kinetic energy that should be obtained through the reversible polytropic process, rather than the difference between the kinetic energy of the flow obtained through the reversible adiabatic process. Thirdly, let's talk about the exergy destruction for the flow with friction. The entropy generation of the nozzle flow with friction is equal to the entropy increase of the flow. Based on equation 448, the entropy increase is. Finally, the entropy generation of the nozzle flow with friction is. From the expression, we conclude the entropy generation is larger than 0. This is what we expected for a flow with friction. By definition, the exergy destruction of the nozzle flow with friction is. Okay, that's all for this task. Thank you very much, and see you next time.